Hi, I'm James, and today we have this on the desk, which is a Acer Aspire 5 A514-54 laptop. Now this is quite similar to the 53 model that we have looked at previously, and what we're going to do is just start by removing all the screws from the base. These are all, as we can see, exposed. There is quite a few of them for a modern laptop, but it's fairly simple to go through and get these taken out. Now these are being removed, I believe, with a Phillips size 0 screwdriver. I have a link to one of the screwdriver sets that I use in the description below, along with other tools and parts, so where you can find everything you need for doing this work. Anyway, we're just going to remove these. They're all the same size, but I just placed them off to one side in the same arrangement that I took them out. Just makes things easier if you encounter a machine where there is a different size screw in it. Two left now. And with this done, we are then going to turn to our pry tool. So standard plastic pry tool, this one's been used a little bit but still okay. And what we're going to do is go to the back of the machine and just press that in. Not too hard, but just enough to separate the base from the chassis. And then with that done, we're going to go to the corners of the hinges and down each side. What I like to do is just pull up lightly on here, just makes things a little easier. Same again on the other side. You don't want to apply too much force, just enough to sort of lever them apart very slightly, and then we should be able to just, like so, lift off the panel. Once inside the system, the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to disconnect the battery here. So we have this tape which just goes over the cable. We're going to peel that out the way, just hold that down, and then I'm going to use a second pry tool and my finger just to gently slide out the connector there. The two speakers are just pressed into the chassis and are not screwed down. So to replace these, we have the left side speaker, which, because the machine is upside down, is on the right, and we can simply remove that as such, and then to replace, press back into the chassis. You may find it's easier to plug it in with it removed, so connect and plug in. Same on the other side, we can just get our pry tool under the speaker to lift and disconnect as so, and then to reconnect, slot back in and press back into place. To replace the I/O board, we have a single screw here and the speaker connector here, which we're just going to slide out. We can then remove or open this connector for the I/O board and remove, and to reinsert we can simply slot that back into place, refit the screw, and lifting the speaker makes things easier. Reconnect the speaker and press that back into place. With the work completed, we are now just going to reconnect our battery, making sure that is plugged in and in place, and then reposition our back cover. To refit, we're then just going to start at the front and press that down to clip it into place, then work our way along each side and the back as well. We can then simply refit all the screws into the base, and it is job done with this machine. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, do let me know in the comments, or if you have any questions, hit the like button if it helps you fix or upgrade your machine, and hit subscribe if you'd like to see more videos as we post them. Thanks for watching.